This is Carb-o-load, 10, what is it? 10, 10, 20. This is Carb-o-load. It's a 10, 10, 20 nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. I named it Carb-o-load because your turf grass going into the fall, as the season cools down, it starts storing carbohydrates in the roots. And then the plants in the spring, when it starts greening up, that's where it pulls its energy from to green up in the spring. So this will help your grass survive the winter better. The last number is a 20% potassium, and I've used a special kind of potassium that nobody else uses. And that's what helps harden off your turf also. So if you put this down in October, it'll feed your grass all through the winter for 4 months, and then it'll keep your weeds out until the spring. And it's got my name on it, just like everything else. Products you can trust from Dean Nelson. I want you to be able to see our products. We're really proud of what we make. And I've been doing this since '83, and we don't make anything that we don't stand behind. I'm not gonna make something that's not gonna work. We test it all out before we sell it and put it on the market. So just try some of this coming fall. Carb-o-load.